Hello guys, how are you? I hope you guys are doing well. Did you see my last vlog? If not, go check it out. Today we are going to spend evening at Dubai Mall with a grand view of Burj Khalifa and a musical fountain. It takes your viewing experience to another level. This is a beautiful view. This musical show happens every 15 minutes after 6 o'clock in the evening and followed by light show of world tallest tower that happens every half an hour. Now enjoy the musical fountain. Here you can take the lake ride which I showed earlier in my previous vlog and enjoy being in the middle of the lake and enjoy the fountain show. It's so cool. Usually takes you around the lake almost for 60 minutes and it charge I think 60 dirham per person. Imagine the whole tower lights up, which enriches your view of the mega structure, which is really mesmerizing. So Burj Khalifa hosts light shows on UAE National Day, India Independence Day, and those are most theme-based light shows. But the place is very crowded to witness the massive fireworks on New Year evening, so which will come on 31st December night. So now we are waiting for today's light show. Let's see. It was beautiful. I hope you guys have enjoyed these shows and a walk around the Dubai Mall. So here I will end this vlog and see you soon in my next vlog. Till then, enjoy and Merry Christmas. Bye.